Good day to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to create text fade transaction in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's see the output. Just open Adobe Premiere Pro and give the file name and choose the location, click OK. Yes, now I would like to create a text. Just go to title and new title, the default still, and give the title name, click OK. Yes, type a text. Type text and choose the font style. Choose the font style and increase the font size. Whatever size you want, you can increase the size. Just make it. Yes, if you want to make a center of this font, just click center button, it will automatically center this. So your font will be centered. Yes, just close the title box. Automatically your title will be added in your project. Just click drag into timeline. Yes, your title will be added here. Now if you want to make an animation, just click editing option on the top. You will find editing option of this font. So if you want to scale this, if you want to make a small thing, just make a scale and arrange the size of your screen. Yeah, this is okay. So now I'm going to make a fade transaction. Just scroll down, you will find the opacity. In this, create 4-point polygon mask. Just hit the button. The box will be added in your text box. Just increase the size of the mask. Yes. And move it to your left hand side. Yes, make sure your font should not be revealed here. Yeah. So just go to the timeline. Make 1 second or something else. Just click mask path timeline. Yes, so automatically your timeline will be added here. Just move little forward and click mask. Automatically your mask box will be open here. Just reveal the text. Yeah, so now you can play and see your mask will be revealed. Yes, here you can find very short transaction. I want to make some soft transaction. Just go to mask feather. The points is 10. You can increase the size of the feather. As you see, once I increase around 300, I increased. Now you can play and see. Yes. So soft transaction is added here. So fade transaction will be added here. Now I want to make exit. Just go to the timeline and add a keyframe. Just move forward and click mask. Move exiting. Yes. So now you can see fade in and fade out. This is an easy step you can make your font fade transaction. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.